Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder age restriction. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder age restriction, should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page of apps, you will search about the application of Tinder and you will enter. Here in this window of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage, then we click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can mix errors on your app. And then you can turn off your phone, you will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.